Geometry. Oh. G-E.
Okay, I'm going to tell you that. If you listen, you will understand.
That is geometry, Agaman, not geometry.
Yeah, geometry is how it's pronounced everywhere, but yeah, it's geometry is more common here. Okay, so what I'm saying is, yes, what was I? Yes, arithmetic, we talk about the numbers. It starts from count, then we add, then we subtract, we multiply, we divide numbers.
Sir, it's like simplify. Sir, it's like simplify.
Huh?
Like, sir, this arithmetic is like simplify.
Yeah, simplify, yes. It's simplified.
Like that.
It's more than that. It's more than simplification, eh?
Sir, but it's like simplify.
Simplify. Yeah, if you have question, let me know.
Sir, in geometry, algebra,
Wait a minute, I will just let you know. Eh? If I can get there, I'll answer that question. तर म त्यहाँ पुगेकै छैन निमेश. Okay. So wait, and I know when you can ask at last. I'm just starting. I'm trying to start, and you're throwing so many questions at me. I'm not being able to start. There will be a lot of questions that are unanswered, and they won't go away if you just listen. And if at the last, if you don't get your answer, you can ask. Okay. So what I'm saying is, if you have question about what I am saying, you can ask. Yes, my confusion, you can ask. If you're trying to add something, let me just get there. I will tell you everything. Just let me get there. Okay. So arithmetic is what we start, right? Counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and whatever you can do using these things. So you can do simplification, like Shraman said, it's arithmetic. And another thing that we can do is we have just done LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF, if you look at it, it's division. Prime factorization is dividing by only prime number. And then we multiply the common factors. So it's most of the time arithmetic is based on these 4 operations. And everything in mathematics is based on these 4 operations: add, subtract, multiply, divide. Everything comes from there, and some are just different form of addition.
I will come back fast.
Okay, different form of multiplication and division. So that is what arithmetic is. So what algebra adds is, algebra adds something to arithmetic. Algebra is also like arithmetic. There is multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. Everything is there, but we can talk about something that we don't know. In arithmetic, we don't talk about something that we don't know. In algebra, we talk about something that we don't know, and we have discussed it in detail in our algebra chapter, right? We know how to add, subtract, algebraic expression, how like terms and unlike terms cannot be added, like terms can be added. We discuss about these things, and algebra adds that, right? So arithmetic and algebra is not like different thing. Algebra adds something to arithmetic. Algebra is addition to arithmetic. In algebra, we add variable to arithmetic, right? So arithmetic does not have a variable, unknown values. Algebra adds that in arithmetic. Now what does geometry does is geometry adds shape. So geometry is, so actually geo means earth. So I'll underline this and I'll write it here, that geo means earth. So earth. So it is a very old mathematics, right?
Sir, like, you can write it in, you can write it from that also keyboard.
Yes, but I want to draw and do this. So
Sir, what is trigonometry?
Yeah, I'm coming to that, Shraman. If you don't ask also, I'll come to that.
O-M-E-E-S-U. Sir, measure.
What do you mean by measurement?
Measurement.
Sir,
napne.
Yes.
napne.
So yes.
Sir, yes, napne.
So geometry started with measurement of earth. Like geo is earth and measurement means napnu. So it's
Ma'am, earth, sir, geometry means earth measurement.
yes, earth measurement at old days. This is like 2000 old years old. Algebra is new. Arithmetic is also comparatively new. This is the
What is this measurement and earth?
Yes, I will come to that, Agaman. You cannot expect toilet गएर सब कुरा बुझ्ने, Agaman. You have to wait and So yes, I'll come to that. So
I was also going to ask that.
yes, so people just look at shapes. You know, you are in earth and you wonder. You know, you would see different kind of shapes in earth, right? You want to measure land. Land is either rectangle, triangle, circle. So these are the shapes that you see in land. So if you want to measure earth, you're measuring land because you don't know what kind of thing is earth. Just by looking at earth, you cannot say 2000-year-old people cannot say that earth is round. They see earth is flat. You look everywhere, earth is flat. You cannot say earth is round. Now we know that earth is like a ball, but at that time they don't know earth is flat, round like. So at that time, what they used to do, they used to measure the earth using different kinds of geometrical shape, rectangle, triangle, circle. So that's how the measurement of the earth turned into measurement of different kind of shapes. So it's still the name is measurement of earth, but geometry actually is measurement of shapes, different kind of shapes. So you look at stars and you see different kind of shapes in stars. You look at earth and you see different shapes in earth. So geometry is actually measurement of shapes, different kind of shapes.
So this is like a rectangle, triangle, like
Yes.
oval, like that.
Shapes. Yes, oval like that.
Sir, we need to sir.
Not like scale. Not like scale.
Yes.
Geometry जुन पनि shape गर्न सक्छ geometry.
Yes. But for that, you need to have enough skill in it. You cannot right now do everything. Okay. So this is what geometry is.
Sir, geometrical scale पनि भन्छ है scale नै.
No, just call it scale. I don't think geometrical scale. But whatever, you can
Sir,
call it.
geometrical box भने चाहिँ के हो नि?
Geometric box means you have things that you need to do geometry like compass, scale, protector. So basically geometry means shapes, right? We are talking about different shapes. If you're talking about measuring these shapes, if you're talking about making these shapes, so they are related with geometry. So geometric box means this box will help you make different kind of shapes and figures. So that's what geometric box stands for. The box helps you with the shapes. Okay, so
Sir, inside the box there are geometry shapes, yeah?
yes.
I mean,
So okay.
different types of.
Now geometry, what the geometry does is geometry adds these things in. So again, like arithmetic was just counting, or algebra added something that unknown into it, variable into it. So geometry will add shape, and we can still use the things that we know in algebra and arithmetic to solve the problems in geometry. So we are going to use variables in geometry. We are going to use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division to talk about various shape. We'll come to that in a while, but at the start, geometry is just measurement of shape. Is that okay? Any question?
Sir, okay.
Okay, now I have finished the introductory part. Is there any question, Nimesh? Anybody? Is there any question related to this? Okay, if there is no question, I'll move on.
Sir, geo means art and matter.
I have one question. Sir, I have one question. Sir, someone has one question.
Someone ask.
Sir, in geometry.
Geo means art and metry means measurement.
Yes, भने आगमन कतिचोटि भन्नुभयो पाँचचोटि भइसक्यो
Sir, in geometry we especially need scales.
I think I have already said yes. To measure we need scale. Yes, scale, compass. What are you measuring?
Sir, this is the easiest.
सर त्यो हामीले मेजर ज्योमेट्रीमा त्यो मेजर गर्नलाई हामीले त्यो एउटा हुक गरेर यसरी खोल्यो अनि त्यसले काट्न पनि सक्छ नि त्यो पनि
There are different things.
सर हामी साइन्स पनि पढ्यो.
Yes, it depends on what is your problem. तपाईको problem के हो? के measure गर्नु परिरहेछ तपाईलाई? Depending on that, there are various solutions. So don't think it त्यो मात्र हो. There are many ways, and you can even make new instrument to measure new kind of shapes and size. So it's up to you.
Sir, someone left.
Okay, someone left. Okay, so is there any other questions or can I continue?
Sir, yes, you can.
Okay, now things get interesting. We are actually entering how to talk about shapes. We're actually entering the geometry. So at first, all the geometry, everything, every shape, every size, even a line, they are made of one thing. All the geometric shape, they are made of one thing. So that one thing is called a point. A point. If you take this point, this is where everything starts. in geometry. Now, if you take this point and you trace that point like this, you point like sari tankayo bhane, you'll get a line. It is not like a line. I'm sorry because my hand is not very good at making lines. But what I'm trying to show is, so this point is very okay. So geometry starts with a point. It's very important part of geometry. Everything in a geometry, this is a starting point, this point. So you can trace this point as a in a circular way like this to make a circle. Take a point and then draw one line, take another point, draw another line, take another point, draw another line, take another point. Now you get a square or a rectangle. So point is what starts geometry. And it is a closed shape. This is not a closed shape. This is just a line. Circle is also closed. So line is not closed. So in this way.
सर लुगा बनाउनलाई नि यसरी नै युज गर्छ है.
Yes. So do you understand the starting point of geometry is point.
Yeah, point.
We call it
Sir,
point.
you can write from keyboard. You don't need that much hard. You can write
Okay.
point.
So like in whole numbers, when it is 0, it is 0, right? There is nothing happening. When you get 1, you can repeat 1 to get all the other numbers. So that 1 is interesting thing. 1 makes arithmetic interesting, like I said, in whole numbers while I'm teaching you whole numbers. So in the same way, point
Sir,
makes geometry interesting. Point is that one.
sir.
Once you have a point, you can make that point into a circle. You can trace that point and make a line. You can add different kind of lines to get a square.
Sir, how? Sir, how can we get point?
Now you can
So how
add
can we get
squares to get a box.
Oh. Sir, like that geometry
Yes.
like that?
Yes, geometry can be used. So it starts with a point now, and you can make a line. Once you have line, you can measure the line. You can use that line to make other different shapes, and you can use the line to make circle. You can use that circle to get a ball. So that's how it starts with a point, and it gets to different kind of shapes and size. So geometry is based on point. It's very important to understand what a point is because everything in geometry is made from that point. Point makes lines, line will make square, square will make box, box will make houses, houses will make many things, so everything you have around you starts with a point. Is that okay? So that's how for geometry, point is everything. For arithmetic, 1 is everything. 1 makes 2, 2 makes 3, and you'll carry on and you'll get millions and thousands of number. Same way, geometry starts with a point, and that point will grow into houses, trees, and whole earth, everything. Okay, so now we have to define what is point. Right? So point is it's a point. It does not have length. You cannot measure a point. Point भनेको न त्यसको length हुन्छ न breadth हुन्छ. It's a starting point of something. It's a dot, right? It's a dot. It does not have any dimension. It does not have length, breadth, न thickness हुन्छ न के हुन्छ. यसलाई तन्कायो भने आउँछ length. यसलाई उचाल्यो भने thickness आउँछ. But on its own, point is nothing. There is nothing. Only one dot. Okay? So that is what a point is. Now you're going to trace that dot, you get a line. You're going to stretch it in this way, you get length, you get breadth. If you're going to pull it up, you get thickness. So, but the point is nothing, right? It's just a starting point. So that's what you understand a point as. It's a dimensionless, that means does not have a length, breadth, or thickness, anything. It's a dimensionless dot. Point is a dimensionless dot. There is nothing in it. It is just a point. You have to understand that. Okay. Is there any question here? Did I say something that you don't understand? No. Okay. So it's something. I'll just write point as.
सर मलाई ब्याकग्राउन्ड चेन्ज गर्न आयो.
ल अनि मैले यहाँ ज्योमेट्री सिकाइरहेको बेला ब्याकग्राउन्ड चेन्ज गर्न आयो भने त मलाई दुःख लाग्छ नि. मैले ज्योमेट्री सिकाइरहेको छु तपाईलाई सर मलाई नेपालीको ह्यान्ड राइटिङ गर्न आयो भनेर भन्नुभयो भने त म त के भन्ने. तपाईले त मेरो सुनिरहन्छ कुरा जस्तो फिल हुँदैन त मलाई नि. म म्याथ पढाइरहेको छु सर मलाई त इङ्ग्लिसको शब्दै आयो भन्यो भने त म त
सर के रे त्यो के रे एक्चुअली त्यो ब्याकग्राउन्डमा थिचे अनि भयो के आफै.
No breathe. Breath. I think it's not breathe. Thick. So there is no thickness, no breadth, no length. Point is just a point, right? Once you have a line, it will have thickness, length. You make a box, it will have breadth. You make a box, no. If you make a square, it will have breadth. If you make a box, you will have thickness. But at the start, point has nothing, right? The point is the starting zero thing, just a point. Okay, so if that is understood, now we go to after point. What we make after point? बाट के बनाउँछौं त हामी? What do we make after point? Point लाई use गरेर हामी के बनाउँछौं?
A line, sir. We
Yes.
can make
Line.
square. Sir, we can make square, circle.
We will come to that, but first line, right? So
I can make anything with.
we're going to make everything, but we have to start somewhere. We have started in point. Now we're coming to line. Point बाट बन्ने अर्को चीज भनेको line नै हो. तपाई स्क्वायर बनाउनु छ भने नि point बाट line बनाउने, line बाट स्क्वायर. तपाईलाई घर बनाउनु छ भने नि point बाट line बाट square, square बाट box, box बाट धेरै box, and then you add them and make a house. So everything.
सर point बाट circle र oval बनाउन मिल्छ र?
मिल्छ. You just take a point. अब यो point लाई कसरी घुमाउने भन्दाखेरि यसरी घुमायो भने के भन्ने सर्कल. सर्कल पनि लाइन नै हो तर घुमेको लाइन, कर्भ लाइन. We call it straight line, curved line. So there are different kinds of line. घुमेको लाइन लाई सर्कल भन्छ. Straight line. So you just have different kind of line. Okay, Saksham? Okay.
Okay, sir. Point line ले shape बन्छ है.
Okay. So we are going to talk about, okay, yes. We are going to talk about straight line first, है त. Straight line. Saksham ले भने जस्तो curve line पनि हुन्छ. त्यसैले हामी सुरुमा चाहिँ straight line को कुरा गर्छौं है त. Straight line. So what does a straight line means? I think my spelling of straight, S-T-R-I-G-S, straight line. What is the spelling of straight? I'm getting confused. Okay, I'll just type it here.
This is line. Point.
Sir, but you need to remove these. Oh.
Okay, yes, my spelling was correct. I could not figure it out. Straight. Okay, straight line means again we are starting from a point. Right? If you take a point, listen how I talk about straight line. Right? If you take a point and stretch it left and right, stretch it in left and stretch it in right, this is a line. Left or right तिर एउटा point लाई लिएर तन्काउनु भयो भने that's when you get a line. You're stretching it left and right, not up and down, just left and right, or you can stretch up and down also, but then you're not stretching it left and right, खाली up and down to any other direction, right? So two opposite direction मा एउटा point लाई लियो अनि दुईटा opposite direction मा तन्कायो, यहाँ तन्कायो नि हुन्छ, यहाँ तन्कायो नि हुन्छ, wherever you want to stretch it. तर opposite हुनु पर्यो. एउटा यता तन्काइरहेछ भने अर्कोलाई उता तन्काउनु पर्यो, opposite. So then you get a line. Okay? Is that okay?
Sorry.
And the thing about line is, line will go on. Tanke huncha line. Rokidaina. So whenever you say you have a line, you don't say tesko boundary ka cha. Line will just go on stretch. It's an endless thing. Line matra.
Boundary.
Boundary bhaneko border.
I was also going to say that.
Border bhaneko like India, Nepal has a border, right? Yes, कहाँ finish हुन्छ. Yes, very nicely put. Reasons like कहाँ finish हुन्छ. Line भन्ना साथ line को finish ठाउँ हुँदैन. Okay, line दुईटा direction मा तन्केको तन्के हुन्छ. So then we need line segment. Line segment ले चाहिँ line लाई टुक्रा पारेर मलाई अब square बनाउनलाई 1 सेन्टिमिटर चाहियो भने चाहिँ 1 सेन्टिमिटर line segment भयो. 2 मिटर चाहियो भने चाहिँ that is a line segment. Line को टुक्रा. Line हैन त्यो, line को टुक्रा.
Sir.
तन्के हुन्छ.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, centimeter भन्दा पहिला millimeter आउँछ, millimeter.
Don't take me down that path. Nanometer आउँछ, के meter, picometer रे, के meter. Thermometer is something.
Manometer or that's what करते हैं.
Yes, there are so many meters. We are not talking about that now. It would take like, 1 meters.
अटोमा लगाउने जति पैसा पर्यो त्यति दिने.
Yes. Okay.
That's correct.
Stop the talk. So this is a straight line. Straight line is just stretching everywhere. Straight line. म स्ट्रेट लाइनको कुरा गर्दैछु स्ट्रेट लाइन इन्डलेस हुन्छ है दे आर नट गोइङ टु इन्ड इन्डै हुँदैन दुबईतिर तन्किन्छ तन्किया तन्के हुन्छ कहीँ गएर सिद्धिँदैन यो तन्किया तन्के हुने लाइन भयो स्ट्रेट लाइन आइ एम कलिङ दिस
Sir, why do you like to draw like a word also? You can write.
Yes, I can write, but I'd have to switch, so it's okay. I just now I'll take यो straight line भनेको यो arrow ले देखाउँछ है मैले यसरी arrow बनाएको मतलब के हुन्छ यो यता पनि गइराछ यता पनि गइराछ so it's going everywhere. Yes, Soman.
Sir, ज्योमेट्रीमा जम्मा शेप मात्र हुन्छ
अब हामी त्यो शेपको बारेमा कसरी कुरा गर्ने पनि हुन्छ कसरी बनाउने कत्रो बनाउने we'll talk about everything. For now we'll have to start from somewhere त्यसैले शेपबाट सुरु गरेको ओके नाउ मैले जब यस्तो एरो बनाए यो एरो भनेको स्ट्रेट लाइन हो यसले के भन्छ भने यो तन्किराछ रोकेको छैन एरोले के भन्छ गइराछ एरो सोज यता पनि गइराछ यता पनि गइराछ राइट बट व्हेन आई कट इट मैले यहाँ बिचमा काट्दै यसरी यसो यो काटेको मार्क है मैले त्यो काटेर यहाँ ल्याएँ त्यो काटेको टुक्रालाई यसरी यहाँ ल्याएँ नाउ व्हाट एम आई डुइङ यसलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ स्ट्रेट लाइनको सेगमेन्ट भन्छ स्ट्रेट लाइन भन्दैन एरो छैन भनेपछि यो स्ट्रेट लाइन होइन स्ट्रेट लाइन नभएर यसलाई के भन्छ स्ट्रेट लाइनको सेगमेन्ट जस्ट लिसन टु व्हाट
सेगमेन्ट
जयन्त इज ट्राइङ टु टेल मी अब म लेख्दिन अब म टाइप हान्छु so I will write.
Sir, yes, because it will take a long time. You will take
Yes.
4 minutes.
Sir, yes.
Straight line segment. This one is straight line segment. माथिको स्ट्रेट लाइन हो भने तलको स्ट्रेट लाइनको सेगमेन्ट हो एक टुक्रा हो एरो छैन काटेर ल्याएको टुक्रा हो so this is what we are going to use अब if you want to build anything
Or one piece of
straight line segment so when you're going to build something you're going to make some shapes you're not going to use straight line useful हुँदैन स्ट्रेट लाइनको टुक्राहरू चाहिँ युजफुल हुन्छ किनभने स्ट्रेट लाइन त स्ट्रेच भएको भइ हुन्छ you cannot use it त्यो त धेरै लामो हुन्छ के गर्नलाई so what you need is a segment of that line टुक्राहरू straight lines pieces so you take one piece you put it here take another piece put it like this and you make a square so you go on from there huh yes Nime
Sir, geometry.
yes नाप लिने हो yes
Sir, geometry. कहिले पनि एन होइन बक्सबाट लाइनबाट स्क्वायरबाट
अब तपाईले इन्ड गर्न मलाई भने इन्ड गरे नि हुन्छ ल मलाई यति भयो पुग्यो भने नि इन्ड मेक अ बक्स आउट अफ इट ओके दिस इज इन्ड
Sir, no, I'm trying to say that. Sir, geometry जतिसम्म जान सक्छ जितको
yes everything can go in mathematics everything can go सम्म पनि start from 1 त्यही 1 लाई मात्र जोडे गर्यो भने मिलियन आउँछ मिलियनबाट गएको गई गर्न मिल्छ सेम थिङ एउटा सर्कल बनाएर सर्कल जोड्दै गयो भने जति पनि जान मिल्छ सम्म so it's up to कहिलेसम्म चाहिन्छ राइट so it's up to us कहाँसम्म जोड्ने कति जोड्ने it's all नत्र त ज्योमेट्री मात्र युज गर्यो भने त जति नै जोड्न पाइन्छ लाइक हामीले नम्बर जत्रो ठुलो नम्बर लेख्न नि पाइन्छ हैन अगेन त्यो भन्दा ठुलो नम्बर पनि हुन्छ सेम वे यहाँ पनि जति पनि जान पाइन्छ ओके सो दैट इज लाइन सेगमेन्ट आई थिंक
अहिलेसम्म कोही मान्छेले पुरा अर्थ घुमेर त्यो लाइन बनाएको रेकर्डै बनाएन
या आई डोन्ट नो दैट है तर बनाउन मिल्छ वी हैव रिसोर्स इनफ रिसोर्स these days